Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about the top 5 renovations you should do before marketing your house. Okay, let's get started. So, you've been thinking about putting your house on the market. What should you do in short of calling a realtor? Well, the first thing you should do is set a budget. Now, I normally recommend setting budget between $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, so on and so forth. So once you set a budget, let's just say $5,000, because most sellers that we work with, that's the kind of the budget they work with. Here are the things that we recommend doing. Number 1, a fresh coat of paint. And not just any color of paint. You want a very contemporary color. Right now, the most popular color these days are a light gray. You can go on even Google, and you'll see tons of photos of gray color in houses. If you just Google gray interior houses, give you some ideas. Fresh coat of paint will give you the most bang for your bucks. Now, second thing to do is get a professional cleaner. They'll go in there and clean your curtains, clean all the nooks and crannies you never even thought about. But that's what they do. They clean house, and they'll make your house fresh and looking vibrant again. Number 3, if you can get a high pressure washer, if you have one, they're like $200, $300. You just go spray the exterior of the house. That'll just give it a new facelift. Doesn't cost a whole lot of money. Number 4, mow the lawn, trim the hedges, make your front house looking as nice as possible. I can't tell you how much curb appeal really matters in selling real estate. It makes the picture looks beautiful as well. Okay, and number 5. If you have one of those old car garages, 2 doors that just kind of lifts up like this, if you have them, you know what I'm talking about. But if you don't have them, it doesn't make sense to you. You want to update your garage. The contemporary garage these days, the one that are just kind of stacked all the way up, they cost less than $1,000 to have it fully professionally installed, and it makes the house look beautiful. Now, I know I said I give you 5 top renovations you should do. I'm gonna give you 2 more. Why? Because I like to over deliver. If you have a higher budget than $5,000, let's just say $10,000 to $15,000, the next thing you should put your money in is in the kitchen. Maybe you need to update the cabinets and put a new granite or a new quartz, whatever the case may be. Putting money in the kitchen give you more bangs for your bucks. And lastly, roof. Before you even decide what to do with the roof, call the roof doctor. You can Google them online. They'll come out, give you a free estimate, and they'll tell you the life of your roof and what you should or shouldn't do with your roof. And lastly, hire a professional realtor to market your house. They're worth their weight in gold. And if you don't know of one, might we recommend you one? Okay? If you know anybody who's looking to buy or sell, think of us, HP Real Estate Team. Until next time.